Services Central allows you to access your Thermo Fisher Scientific instruments and equipment service history and service reports so you can stay updated and troubleshoot with ease. This video will show you how to view your service history and service reports for the instruments and equipment that you have added to Services Central. To find your service history and service reports, navigate to the Instruments page and click on the serial number of the instrument or equipment you would like to view. This will take you to the Instrument Detail page. Here, you can find the support history in the Support and Coverage tab. Select a service ticket that has the status of closed. You can see the service report by clicking on the ticket number under Support History. In the Support Request Detail section, click on the View Service Report button to view the service report. You can also download the service report by clicking on the download icon. Visit thermofisher.com/servicescentral/login to get started.